myself Palak Thakur and I am your history teacher of a class 8 standard. So today we will discuss about the new chapter, that one it is the freedom struggle of 1857. The freedom struggle of 1857. The scope of the struggle of 1857 and its background was taken into consideration by V.D. Savarkar in his book The Indian War of Independence 1857. As we will see in this slide here that V.D. Savarkar wrote the book The Indian War of Independence 1857. And as you will see in this picture here that he was a V.D. Savarkar. Farmer and common people became bankrupt. From 1763 to 1857, peasants of Bengal participated in rebellion led by Sannyasi Fakir. Umaji Nayak organized Ramoshis and local youth to revolt against British. As we already discussed in this slide here that farmer and common people became bankrupt. From 1763 to 1857, peasants of Bengal participated in rebellion. Umaji Nayak organized Ramoshis. And as you will see in this picture here that he was a Umaji Nayak. Livelihood of Indian tribe and forest community challenged the British rule. British law put restriction which angered Indian tribe and forest communities. Bihar, Kolam area of Nagpur, Gonds of Orissa, Satlas of Bihar fought against the British. The British officer gave low status to the Indian soldier and paid less allowance. Revolt took place at Vellore in 1806, in 1824 at Barakpur. Discontent grew and blew out in form of armed rebellion in 1857. As we already discussed in this slide here that livelihood of Indian tribe and forest community challenged the British rule. Indian tribe and common communities had a problem with the British law because they are putting a restriction on them. Indian tribe and common people was very angry. Bihar, Kolam area of Nagpur, Gond, Santhal of Bihar fought against the British. Just because the British officer paid less allowance to the Indian soldier. Revolt took place at Vellore in 1906. Discontent grew and blew out in the form of an armed rebellion in 1857. As you will see in this picture here that it was Vellore Minity in 1806. Cause for the struggle of 1857. British introduced new revenue system. They imposed heavy taxes on local industry. Indian artists became unemployed. As we already discussed in the economic causes, British introduced new revenue system and the British imposes a heavy taxes on the local industries. Just because of that, Indian artists become unemployed and they are paying a very less amount. Now our next topic, that one it is social causes. British interfere in culture, tradition, custom of Indians. Prohibition of sati, widow remarriage were corrected from social point of view of Indian. Indian thought it was an interference in their lifestyle by British. As we already discussed in this slide here that British interference in a culture, custom of Indian. It was a strictly prohibited of a sati widow remarriage. Indian thought it was an interference in their lifestyle just by the British. As we already know that what was a sati system. Sati system means if some lady husband was died, in that funeral lady was also burned in her funeral time. Now our next topic, that is the political causes. First point, that it is Lord Dalhousie annexed several princely states, dethroned Nawab of Ayodhya. Second point, that it is princely state of Satara, Nagpur, Jhansi were annexed by Lord Dalhousie. As we already discussed in this slide here, that Lord Dalhousie annexed several princely states and dethroned Nawab of Ayodhya. As we already see in this picture here, that he was a Lord Dalhousie. Now our next topic, that one it is discontent among Indian soldiers. First point, that it is British officer gave low status to the Indian soldiers and were not allowed to rise above post of a subedar. Second point, that it is Indian soldiers were paid less compared to the British soldier. As we already discussed in this slide here, that Indian soldiers were paid less compared to the British soldier. Just because of that, British officer gave low status to the Indian soldier. Indian soldiers were not allowed to the post of the subedar. Now our next topic, that one it is first outburst of a war of 1857. First point, that it is Long Enfield rifle with cartridge smeared with fat of cows and pigs were provided to the Indian soldiers. Second point, that it is end of the cartridges had to be bitten off, but Indian soldiers refused it as it hurt their religious sentiment. Third point, that it is Indian soldiers were severely punished. Fourth point, that it is Mangal Pandey from Barakpur cantonment shoot at an English officer as the reaction to unjust nature of a British officer. Fifth point, that it is he was arrested and hanged to death. Sixth point, that it is entire regiment of Indian soldier at Meerut marched toward Delhi. 7 point, that it is thousands of Indian voluntary joined the march. 8 point, that it is leadership was handed over to Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah. As we already discussed in this slide here, that Mangal Pandey from Barakpur shoot an English officer as the reaction to unjust nature of the British officer. Just because of the unjust nature of the British officer, Mangal Pandey arrested and hanged to the death. Just because of that, leadership was handed over to the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah. Leadership was handed to the Bahadur Shah. Thousands of Indian voluntary joined the marches. Just because of that, Mangal Pandey was hanged. As you will see in this figure here, that first figure one, it is the freedom fighter Mangal Pandey, and the second picture is he was a Bahadur Shah. Now our next topic, that one it is scope of the struggle. First point, that it is Bahadur Shah, Emperor of India, increased self-confidence and inspired the soldier. Second point, that it is revolt spread to North Indian including Bihar, Rajputana, Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Jhansi, Bareilly. Third point, that it also spread to South India. 4 point, that it is bills to revolted. 400 female bills participated in revolt. As we already discussed in this slide here, that Bahadur Shah increased the self-confidence and inspired the soldier. He was motivate the soldier to fight and revolt against the Indians. Revolt spread to the North Indian. It also spread to the South Indian. Mughal Emperor also spread to the North Indian and the South Indian. Bill to revolted. 400 female bills participated in revolt. Now our next topic, that one it is leadership of the struggle. First point, that it is Mughal Empire weakened during 18th century. Invader like a Nadir Shah Abdali attacked India. Second point, that it is Maratha took up the responsibility of safeguarding India and also fought against Abdali at Panipat. Third point that it is descendant of a Mughal empire, Bahadur Shah were unable to fight against British in the freedom struggle of 1857. 4 point that it is Nana Sahib Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Tatya Tope took change of a freedom struggle. Fifth point that it is revolt were led by Ahmadullah, Kunwar Singh, Bhakta Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal. As we already discussed in this slide here that Mughal empire weakened during the 19th century. Nadir Abdali attacked India and Maratha took up the responsibility to safeguarding India and fought against the Nadir Shah Abdali at Panipat. Mughal Empire Bahadur Shah were unable to fight against British in the freedom struggle of 1857. Bahadur Shah was no role in the freedom struggle of 1857. He didn't fight with the Nadir Shah Abdali. Nana Sahib Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, Tatya Tope took change of a freedom struggle. As you will see in this picture here that first one it is the Tatya Tope, second one it is the Rani Lakshmibai and the third one it is the Begum Hazrat Mahal. Fourth one it is, as you will see in this picture here that the first picture one it is the Tatya Tope, second one it is the Rani Lakshmibai and the third one it is the Begum Hazrat and the fourth one it is Kunwar Singh. Now our next topic that is the crushing of the struggle. First point that it is Indian soldier fought against British with the help of the commander, common people. They were unable to withstand the vast military strength and administration of the British rule. Third point that it is British not only crushed down the struggle but also made quick recovery by regaining the lost territory within 6 months. 4 point that it is Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, Ahmadullah lost their life in a struggle. Bahadur Shah was impressed at Rangoon. Fifth point that it is by the end of the 1858 British ruthlessly crushed down the revolt. As we already discussed in this slide here that Indian soldier fought against British with the help of the commander and the common people, and the freedom fighter also fought in this struggle. Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, Ahmadullah lost their life in this struggle. Bahadur Shah was impressed at Rangoon. Indian soldiers were unable to withstand the vast military strength and administration of a British rule. British not only crushed down the struggle but also made a quick recovery by regaining the lost territory within 6 months. By the end of the 1858, British ruthlessly crushed down the revolt. In this struggle, our freedom fighters Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, Ahmadullah lost their life in this struggle. It was a bitterful ending of that struggle. Now our next topic that it is the cause of a failure of a struggle. The first point that it is the struggle was not comprehensive. Second point that it is lack of central leadership. Third point that it is most of the feudatory princes remain aloof. 4 point that it is lack of military tactics. First point that it is Indian rebels had a limited armed supply. Second point that one it is British had economic strength, disciplined army, experienced army. Third point that it is Indian soldier although brave lack tactics and strategy required to win the fight. Now our next topic that it is international situation favorable for Britisher. First point that it is British had trade relation with other country. Second point that it is they have great naval strength while Indian rebels were isolated. Now our next topic that one it is consequences of the freedom struggle. First point that it is British had to face struggle of 1857 due to the Indian dissatisfaction about company rule. Second point that it is British Parliament was forced to end the rule of a East India Company. Third point that it is British rule over the people through Government of India Act 1858. As we already discussed in the slide here that British was forced to end the rule of the East India Company. Just because of that Indian dissatisfaction about the company rule, British rule over the people through the Government of India Act 1858. Now our next topic, that one it is Queen's Proclamation post freedom struggle of 1857. First point, that one it is Queen Victoria of England issue a declaration mentioning that all Indian were England progeny. Second point, that it is there will be no discrimination on the basis of a religion, race, caste or birthplace. Second point, that one it is declaration of a queen gave awareness about no interference in religious matter. 4 point, that it is British crown with the honor all treaties and agreements. Fifth point, that one it is no princely state would be annexed thereafter. As we already discussed in this slide here that Queen Victoria of England issue a declaration Indian were England progeny. Queen Victoria declared that there will be no discrimination on the basis of a religion, race, caste or birthplace. Declaration of a queen gave awareness about no interference in religious matter. British crown will honor all treaties and agreement. No princely state would be annexed thereafter after the declaration of the Queen Victoria of England. Now our next topic, that one it is change in the position of army. First point, that one it is number of British soldier Indian army increase. Third point, that one it is artillery unit were exclusive under control of a British. Third point, that one it is Indian army was divided on basis of a caste.